Hey y'all, I wanted to share about this magnetic shelf for the fridge that I recently purchased for my kitchen. Our kitchen doesn't have much countertop space, so I really try to use the space I have as well as I can. You can see the magnetic pieces on the back here. I had one of these from a different brand prior to this one and it fell off multiple times, so I returned it. I was looking around and found this one, decided to try it, and I am so glad I did. It has not come off once, even when I load it down with all sorts of fruits and vegetables. You can see it has hooks on the side. It has worked so well in my kitchen.